Hello everyone, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee, and today we have June Garden Update Part 2. If you're new to my channel and you're wondering why can't I get a June Garden Update in one video, it's because I have so much space, so many gardens, so much started here trying to develop a sustainable homestead. And if that interests you, I hope you'll subscribe. Click the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here. In today's episode, we start by me testing my first blackberry on the arbor. We get a look at the cool season vegetables in the raised bed garden. Then we go to the lower garden where all of that soil that got washed out from 3 straight days of rain got tilled, fluffed up, and then my helper uninstalled my small electrified fence and expanded it around the entire 5,000 square foot garden. In addition, I planted corn for the 3rd time and covered it. I planted potatoes for the 3rd time and sweet potatoes for the 2nd time. And we end at 95 degrees after 5.5 hours. And my helper and I enjoyed cold watermelon. So I hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. That is a welcome sight. Gorgeous. I wonder if one of them's ready. Let's get the big one. I don't want to come off yet. Nope. I'm gonna wait. I want it to be perfect. Look at all these blackberries. Oh, how am I going to keep these from the birds? They have to be picked exactly on time. Oh, wow. Not sure what happened to this plant. It's all dead. Come off, so when they're ready to come off, they come right off. Nope. Okay, tomorrow it is. Look at all this shiso. I don't water it, so maybe it'll get the idea that it shouldn't expand to every place. Look at that. Let's see, it has a square stem. Yes, it has a square stem. It's like 4 stems together making a square. But it is a square. Because it's in the mint family. Oh my goodness. That is an interesting smell. That's what they put the leaves between the raw fish and sushi. I'm not sure if it's this variety exactly, but look at that. Good night. Good night, son. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for coming up and going down every day. This monster. Wow. I have got to figure out how to cook that. I've never eaten one. I believe it's called Robbie. And look at these cabbages. Oh my gosh. I've just never seen them so perfect. So I am hoping for the best. Weed, weed, go away. Don't come back another day. Look at that chard. Wow. Get some nice cool season vegetables in here and I need to eat them. And now the celery. And this has already gone to seed. So I don't think that would be very tasty. And this got eaten. I don't remember if this is collards or broccoli, but it got eaten at a critical point. Ah, and look, this got eaten too. I wish this shade cloth came all the way down, protected the whole thing. That would be great if I'd done that. If I had done that, famous last words. And in the morning, I am digging up all this garlic. I took out 3, they're very small. I'm not sure why. And I have at least 3 potatoes growing in this bed. I guess that was in the compost. Okay, what we're doing is trying to redirect the water that left big gashes all through this garden because it's not level, it's not flat. Working with a slope here. So we got major gashes down below and they cut across right towards the middle. So he has cut me a trench this way and I am replanting corn. I'm not doing it the hard way with all the mounds because they left me 1 corn plant on that whole, all 9 of those rows. The crows ate all of the seeds. And you can see here, I've been seeing them in the morning and they're pecking through the whole top of the row. I just made it like a buffet for them. So I think they call that easy pickings in the South. So I just set some rows here. I put down some organic fertilizer and I'm going to drop in some seeds and cover it with row cover cloth until they come up. And of course we're getting the electric, but that won't help with the crows. Okay, I'm working on my 3rd row here. Got the seed in there. I put in a lot of seed and I've got 5 to go. I ran out of seed, so the last row is going to have to be peas or something. One casualty of the process of moving the T-posts and changing it so we can do the whole garden is this onion. So I'm gonna cook that with my potato tonight. It's just amazing what you can get done when you have help. I had so many of the 8-footers around this top 15 feet. He was able to spread them out, and I think we're going to be able to just use those all along the big garden. But look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more rows of corn, and the back row is purple hull peas. Let me show you the first 2 rows of purple hull peas. Got some gaps, but at least I've got something. And some of the okra got washed out, but it's coming up too, so. A lot of great soil down there. Can't wait to get started planting into that. I am going to plant potatoes, and I have just chitted these and I've sealed them with cornstarch, and I cover this in another video. These are Huckleberry Gold right here, and they're wonderful. And then these are back here, what is it? Oh, Carib. That's a white potato. I thought it was going to have a purple skin. That doesn't look purple to me. And this is Adirondack Red. So this has kind of a pink flesh. And here I have my sweet potatoes. These are all the sweet potatoes that I grew from sweet potatoes that I got from my friend Daryl. And there's only about 7 or 8 in here, small ones. So I'm going to disassemble this, and I'm going to cut them and chit them too and plant them separately. That's my plan. Holy cow, look at this blanket of roots. How do I divide that up? It's like a saddle blanket. I'm so excited. I'm getting help with the planting. And these are the sweet potatoes, and they look so healthy. Wow. Of course, we're planting in the heat of the day, but there is a breeze. They're going to get a lot of water. And then the regular potatoes are next. This is an exciting moment. The big reveal. We're not absolutely sure that the electric is powering the whole line, and we won't until my neighbor gets down here with a tester. But as you can see, I put down row cover cloth over the corn. I need to do some more. And now we have beautiful sweet potatoes and potatoes planted. And I'm gonna do more stuff. And also I planted over here, I planted this side of the cattle panel fence, I planted cowpeas. I believe it's June 11th, and you can see that this has just turned into French fries. All dried out, the widow's cross. Here's a bumblebee or carpenter bee, I'm not sure. But yeah, all this beautiful stuff. Well, it was beautiful. It's not beautiful now. The meadow has looked prettier. Only one thing blooming. And the clover. It's turning.
Yeah, it's not completely ripe. There you go.
If it turns, it's ripe.
Mm-hmm. It's good. See, look at it.
It's turning. How on earth is?
I'd say it's ripe.
Let's cut it. Now we'll actually determine whether it's
That's straight. Yeah, it's right. About to bust open.
That's what I was thinking. Oh yeah. Oh.
As a matter of fact, it's a little
Cold
bit.
watermelon.
Yeah.
After 5.5 hours in 90-degree heat. Well, it's 95 now. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Kay, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. I'm Kay, and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. I'm Kay, and adios.